All right, Sergi, watch this. Ready?
Yeah, all right.
Look.
Oh, I've seen that car in the...
You seen this before?
Where's the driver?
There is no
What kind of
driver.
sorcery is this? What is this?
How cool is this? This is a fully autonomous car of the future from Audi.
Yeah, this is the Skysphere.
Skysphere.
The Skysphere,
Skysphere, yes.
Yeah,
so you've
right.
seen a hint of it,
Yeah,
right? But
yeah,
not
yeah.
in real life before. So I'm going to show you around. I'm going to show you around. It has some of the coolest features ever featured on this channel. Right, make sure you subscribe. Supercar Blondie. Now, what we're going to look at first is the light show. You know how I love my light shows?
You love lights. I know.
All right, so we're going to transform this. This is at the moment in autonomous light mode. Wait, look at this, look at this.
Oh, add it.
Yeah, look at this.
Wow.
Look at the rubies lighting up.
So every one of these triangles light up. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at
It's
this,
like
look at this.
Yeah, it's like pulsing.
Look at this.
The car is breathing now.
How cool is this? I mean, come on, how beautiful. All right, that's not the coolest thing.
No, the coolest thing I've already seen is it drives by itself.
That's not the coolest thing. I've got
Okay.
something even
Yeah.
cooler to show you guys.
Right.
All right, come over here. First thing,
I love these surprises.
open the door, this one, ready? You got suicide doors.
How are you doing these things? You just like...
Yeah, it has
You're
touch
one,
sensors.
You're one with the car. Okay.
It has touch sensors, so you just run your hand along the outside and the door opens. You want to do it on that side? Go around.
Yeah. I'm like a magician. I feel like a magician.
It's so cool, huh?
These come out pretty far, huh?
Now come check out the inside, you guys. You got to see this. Okay, so this is autonomous mode, right? So you have this massive screen in front of you, just one long screen, so you can watch movies and just like be driven around, right?
So just program it like...
So you just go, oh, well, this is, you know, this is relaxation mode. This is grand touring mode. So you got lots of space, right?
Yeah.
And
but you don't have any pedals.
No pedals.
No steering
pedals.
wheel, nothing. Yeah.
No steering wheel.
So you just have like an app or something on your phone and you're like, yeah, I want to go here, and it drives you, right?
This is autonomous mode, but watch what happens when I put it into sports mode.
Sports mode. Wait.
Right here, okay, ready?
You got to relax though. I mean, this thing.
Ready?
You're gonna take off.
Sports mode. Watch this, watch this.
Oh my God. What?
Gear lever comes out, steering wheel comes towards you, the screen even moves towards you.
Wow.
And now you're in sports mode, so you get to take control of this car and drive it around. Yeah,
I press it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going in. This is moving.
Ah.
Why am I? But why are we moving forward? My entire body is moving too.
Look at your chairs.
Yeah, I know. Where are we going?
So cool. You're moving.
Yes.
Because not only does the interior transform, the whole car lengthens.
I've seen. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you want to see it again?
All right.
Do it again.
So just like this, right?
Just sports mode, yeah. Sports mode, go.
Why doesn't
This is so
every
cool,
car in the world
right?
do this?
This is the future, right here. This is the future.
Oh my God.
I just love how now it's like a cockpit for the driver, right?
I
It's
know.
like all comes towards you, the whole
I know.
experience. Audi doesn't want the future to be like too digital and too inhuman, right?
Okay.
So they've got little analog features here as well, like this little clock, which I
Oh,
really
yeah.
appreciate, you know?
That brings us back 100 years.
Yeah, exactly. Because no one has clocks these days, eh?
I mean, you could have a digital clock, so...
Yeah, okay,
just
fair
saying.
enough. But I was interested that you said 100 years because this car is actually a homage to the Hoch that was made back in the 1930s.
Sorry, the what?
The Hoch.
What is a Hoch?
I'm trying to say it correctly. I hope I'm not butchering it. So there is this guy called August Hoch.
I was born on August.
Yes, you were. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, great. I'm glad that's all you got from
Just
that.
saying, a little fun fact.
So August Hoch actually made a car that was like a symbol of luxury. Okay, it was called the Hoch.
Yep.
And everyone wanted this car. It was super expensive. Then what happened is Hoch turned into Audi. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
So Hoch is like the original Audi.
Okay.
Another fun fact: did you know that Audi means to listen
To listen.
No, this is the first I've heard of it.
in Latin?
I had no idea.
I had no idea either.
I always thought it was in German or
Yeah,
something.
how cool is that? And so what they've done is 100 years later, they've made the Skysphere, and it's meant to be the ultimate icon of luxury 100 years on from the ultimate icon of luxury in the 1930s, the Hoch. Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
Yeah.
And you know, I have a theory then. Speaking of Hoch was the origin of Audi.
Hoch.
Do you know where they got their logo from? Because he just says be an H and an H, so it's a Hoch.
Yeah,
No, hey.
that's not how you spell Hoch,
Theory
but
confirmed?
sure. All right,
Okay.
yeah, cool. Don't tell anyone
That's
that, they'll
not
laugh at you. That's
okay.
just not it. Now, in future, obviously we're moving towards sustainability, right?
Right.
But Audi's like, people still want luxury, right? You don't just want sustainability and everything just looks a little bit crap, right? You
Yeah.
want sustainability but luxury as well.
Elegance.
Right.
Yeah.
So everything you see, all the materials are made from sustainable materials.
Yeah.
This, what does this feel like to you?
This headrest is sick. I don't know what it feels like, but it's sick.
It feels
This-
like Alcantara, right?
Yeah, it does.
Right? It feels like Alcantara. It's actually not. It's fake leather.
Okay.
So it's sustainable.
Sustainable
but it
leather.
feels
Yeah.
beautiful, doesn't it? And this is reclaimed bamboo. So the wood here,
Okay.
which is quite cool. And of course, because the doors are so long,
Yeah.
you've got door close buttons, all right?
Yeah,
so we're
yeah,
going to
yeah.
do door close buttons.
That's right.
Which
That's
I
right.
love,
'Cause
all right?
I saw some buttons on the panel too.
Yeah. So you're going to do this one. That's your door button.
Yeah.
This is your door button.
Yep.
All right. Okay. Go.
Wow, look at all of this.
Yeah, it's
you have
cool,
your,
isn't it?
You have your music here, so you can just press music. You have
Yeah.
climates and everything.
Yeah, so this is all touch screen for you, and I've got
Yeah.
my own touch screen panel here along the side, which is so cool,
This
huh?
is super cool.
Yeah.
So you said the entire car extends.
Yes, the entire car extends. Have you seen that? Have we seen it yet? Now we're in sports mode, so the car is more compact. It's in its small size, okay?
Okay.
Now we're gonna go into grand touring mode, and it's going to lengthen, and we're gonna have more space in here because the whole car lengthens.
And we're
It
gonna get to
extends.
see that and
Yeah, we
feel
get to
that.
see
Okay,
it. We
okay,
get to
okay.
see it. Okay, you
Do it,
ready?
do it.
There you go. Now we're in grand touring mode. And we've got, again, all of this space in here just to
Wow.
chill.
Yeah, I didn't even feel. I was looking at this more. The entire car actually.
The
moved.
whole car moves.
Okay.
Yeah, did you guys see that?
I need to watch it from
so
the outside.
cool.
Yeah, that was
We're going to go for a drive now.
Yeah.
All right, are you ready for this?
No, it's super cool.
Yeah.
It feels like magic.
All right, I'm going to drive it now. Drive sports mode. All right, I love this. I love how these things are like here. Oh, yes. So, here we go. Here we go, dude. Yeah, this is super cool.
This is crazy. It's like magic.
What do you guys reckon? One more
was
thing to
crazy.
show you before we go. Serge, around the back. You guys, around the back. Look at this whole panel here. Isn't this just gorgeous? One big panel.
Oh.
And we need to see the lights. Look at them. Look at them flickering. The lights change between autonomous mode and self-driving mode.
I love the Audi like this.
Yes.
And the glass panel looks super clean.
So cool, right?
Wow, wow,
This here as well. This opens. This is for your luggage.
Wow.
I actually love that they're using lights now for the logos instead of actually just sticking a logo on.
It's
Like
the
this
future.
is so much cooler.
In the
This is
future.
awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed. All right, that's it. Love you guys. We're out. Bye.
All right.